Serious.
Fucking right. CSAT.
Got instrumentals.
Yeah, she in the mirror working on her flaws. Champagne bottles on the sink, she do it for the cause, I'm telling you. MAC concealer, eyeshadow, high heels, single mother. Niggas love her every time she pull up. Top down on Friday, she listening to Wale. Just came from a spa day with her girls and they just had a conversation discussing the guys. She thinking love just isn't for her, no trust in the lies. Ain't it crazy, giving a baby to somebody you love? And then the rumors start to surface coming out of the club. And then she start to get observant on his Facebook page and notice women complimenting him, hate took place. She just wanna settle down and it's this guy she used to talk to. His name is Jaden Cash and every time he used to fall through, he used to bring her flowers but she knew he wasn't ready for her. It got too heavy for her, it broke the levee for her. Yeah, who would've thought that you would ever keep your distance? I had to bring it to existence, tryna portray a fairy tale. And meet a guy who never argues with you, that's only part the issue. I felt that sparkle in you last time. We had a fight and who thought it would be the last time? But that's that night that you was crying, that was Valentine's. And now you all alone. I wonder if you and my new girl could get along. I should forget it, since I'm committed. But I can't let it go that easy. The world is spinning, they mention me, I know she see me, I know she miss me. But we ain't talking second chances. But I just wanna show her to these check advances, examples of women that change. I just wanna pull up on her while whipping the range. And I'm just thinking about the memories, that's all it was. Cause we just moved too fast and tried to call it love.